Hallo everyone, how's up? Guten Abend, alle, ich bin super. Wie geht alle? Heute teile ich mit euch die meeresrauschen, that means sea churning. Because today the month Sawan, or we can say that rainy season, or we can say that Shiva days start. So the story beside it, especially for every Indian, this. meeresrauschen, that means sea churning. This means samandar manthan in Hindi, but in English you can say sea churning. In German you can say that meeresrauschen. Meeresrauschen. So the story beside the meeresrauschen is this: Es war einmal ein Krieger zwischen Tauflin and Enya. Once there was a war between angels and devils. So Auguit Vega das Resigas Gift as Gait as Sagat Didi Genya Iad Sestohan. It creates huge poison. So thank here Shiva these gifts. So Lord Shiva drank this poison. On Yapavati behandle the here Shiva mit Romilshe. So Lord Parvati treat Lord Shiva with raw milk on Shutezan Lord Shiva and protect Lord Shiva. So what बताए थोंग is that wah, that means war, and af wait, that means sea churning, and resigus, that means huge, and s gait, that means create, and sestohan, that means destroy, and iyada, that means earth, and genya, that means inf, here, that means God, romilsha, that means raw milk, Shutesen, that means protect. Behandle, that means treat it. This is all. Story beside it. Once there was a war between angels and devils, and because of their war, sea churn held, and because of the sea churning, huge poison create. If one drop will on the earth, it destroy the earth, every creature. So Lord Shiva drank all that poison, and after drinking that poison, then Lord Parvati treated Lord Shiva with raw milk. So that's why we Indian put raw milk over the linga of Lord Shiva, try to calm down Lord Shiva. And on that time, Lord Parvati, if you have a true friend, true partner, then that partner be true. If then, like Lord Parvati, be hope, and be inspirations, and be protector, and everything for Lord Shiva. God also need true friend. So be a true friend. This is the story. meeresrauschen. I hope you people like it. With this, I would like to see you choose Dispatch.